Today we're going to be maybe, hopefully, getting some points on the right side here. So once we have a road built, I want to tally up the game points now. So we could do these with local variables in our play state. We could do this, because it's like I don't want, I only want the games to populate as they're completed, up to maybe 10 games, or maybe we'll just do best of 3, something like that. Just turn down the music a bit. And where should we put the remaining player stones? Top of the screen? Actually, I just thought about how I want to do winning. Well, never mind. Put the stones out. For now, I'm going to just kill the music. Just because I think it's a little distracting. Once we build out a road, we want to print out the winning score here on the right side. So we don't only want to keep track of who won, but who won by how many points. So maybe we have a white column and a black column, the game number, and then okay. So why don't we do this? Play state, yeah. We're going to be giving us, first of all, I just want to print up a thing that gives us what? We want to print couple of different things, a couple of different columns even, like but how do we do this? If we only want each game to pop up as it's populated, we might need a class. We might need a class for this. Shoot. I guess I want to just see what it looks like. To not print the data, but to print the headers and stuff. Okay, we want this to be just beneath our title. And our title's at an X of virtual width minus 400, so that's a decent starting point for this. Virtual width. Y of maybe 80. I don't know. No, we need it lower. Much lower. Maybe that's too low. Something like that. You know what? Let's see. Let's see how the title font looks up here. Way too huge. We need a smaller title font. We need a new font, really. a small font and a smaller font. Let's see what our small looks like, actually. It just looks boring, just like our fonts down here look boring, you know? Maybe we see if we can find a different font we'd like better. One that's free for use. Does this have numbers? Personal use only. No commercial use. Not that I want to sell the game, but I just don't want to upload something someone's cool with it being free. Doesn't have numbers, so we need numbers. You know, it's like it's supposed to go in a pub, so I want it kind of scratchy and, you know, almost like a chalkboard or something. This a lot, actually. That looks great. Oh, it's an OTF. I don't know if that is going to work. I need a TTF, I think. Okay, I guess I'll just distribute it with this license. Okay, so we've got... Where'd it go? Ben regular. OTF. Let's see if Love can handle an OTF. I'm hoping it can. So let's see. Okay, so we'll go to our main real quick. And we'll give us a new font. Called Bene font. Give that a better name if it works, but we're just seeing if Love can handle OTF right now. So in our fonts folder, it's called Bene.otf or something like that. Let's see what that actually was. OTF. OTF. Now I want to print this out at Benifont. So let's just, for right now, we'll go replace the, in our place state, we'll go to the bottom. We'll find out where we print TAC. And then we actually want to set the font to Benifont here. It looks like it worked. Looks like it took in the OTF. It's just size 12 font. We'll fix that. Let's do... Oh god, okay. Let's try that. Cool. I still like SPQR for the title, but an OTF does work in Love 2D, which is nice. So we can go to our play state, go back to our TAC, print. We can do this with title font. Now we can go back to our main and give us a smaller Benny font, maybe 60. And we'll see how that looks by printing what we started to do with our white and black point grid, which is right here. So we'll set the font right here to Benny font. That is looking better. I want it smaller. Pretty much up to size. Let's see how that looks. Nice. Yeah, maybe a little bit bigger. Yes. See, they're not centered with TAC though. I want them to be shifted to the left a bit, I guess. Too much to the left. Maybe 480. Too much to the left. What the heck? Or okay, it's looking not bad. be actually, that looks pretty good. Just a little lower. Yeah, a little higher. Nice. Okay, I actually think I want them yeah, I think I want them a bit smaller and a bit closer together. Okay, yeah, I want them a bit closer together. So that we can do a game 1, 2, 3, you know, all the way on the bottom there. So now we need to, this is actually looking pretty good. We just need to scoot it to the right. Cool. Yep, and then we'll say we want another similar thing. Where we print the game. So we say game 1. For an example. Right now, we'll just put this a couple pixels below us. See. Like this. I want this debugging stuff to be in our Bene font. I want to switch that over. So our debug info is in our small font. We might need to make a small Bene font. Let's actually do that. Small Bene font. If we go to our main, we can take our whole Bene font and make a small Bene font at maybe 20. Just really tiny, so maybe we don't have it that tiny, but we do have that font still. So maybe we just do the Bene font. Should be bigger, yeah. Yeah, we'll scoot it down a bit. really suck at BIM, guys. Okay, a little bit lower. I want this all caps. It needs to be lower. It needs to be lower, not higher. Okay, that's looking good. Then we'll get white back over, and then we'll get this one over as well. Converted to our Bene font. So we do whose player turn it is here. We'll just replace this with Bene font. We'll need points when we render our points. No archstones. Right there. This is looking better. White needs to be the same Y as our move type. So let's go ahead and do that. Instead of a minus 38 here, we're actually a minus 30. That's looking good. I kind of think the white move should be up at the top left. Let's move it to the top. So we'll actually just do a positive 30. So what we can do is change this to positive 30 and change this positive 30. That might be too low, but yeah, that's too low. So maybe just 5. So we can say delete, replace 5. Delete, replace 5. Now let's see. too high, maybe 7. Yeah, you know what? I'm feeling like move type place goes up at the top and then player 1 stones in the bottom left. So let's move our place up to the same, I think. We want 1 pixel lower. Let's see how 8 looks. Nice, that's perfect. Let's move place up to be with it. Move type is at 8. So where do we do our move type? Here. We'll just do this, change to 8. And then I think it needs to be over to the left more. Almost flush. Both of these actually. A little more. Too far. Okay, I think I want the stones here at the bottom. And instead of player stones, it's just the color stones. I believe player 1 is black. We go to the bottom. We can see that we're doing white stones, black stones. I wanted. Okay. Huh? Okay, I think I want them all caps and I want them on the very bottom. Actually, yeah, white stones, where do we do this? Yeah, right here. minus 30. Let's see where white stones gets us. Oh, that's pretty close. And then X of... We'd probably want it to match whatever's in the top left. For now, I'm going to put 10, but we want to actually put whatever it's white's move X position is, which is white's move is what? Yeah, I'm actually going to pull up this code so I don't have to keep scrolling through that crap. So, it's white's turn. Where do we say that? Right here, 45 is our X. 45 and 8. So we'll just mimic that. 45, at least on the X. I said. Yes. And then black stones will just be moved over. Who knows how much? We want this one's Y to be the same as our move type Y. So move type Y is, or X actually is 515. So let's just go ahead and 515 this. Okay, not quite. Needs to be moved over to the right a bit. Over to the left or to the right just a bit more. Yeah, I like that. Maybe that's a bit too much. Maybe it's just 60. Nice. Okay, so now we've got a little border here that is going to tell you so I like this better now, but we still need to tally up the points by the time someone wins. So if black wins here, we need to tally up. We need to say all of a sudden game 1 comes up, we see this column, and then we need to say game 1, black wins. So we would just say like win in all caps or something, and then lose. Or I don't like putting lose there in all caps or anything, you know. It's I just want it to be like I'll just put win I'll just put win in the column of whoever won, and then put the amount of points they got. So maybe we fit enough room for 3 games here. Because then, so we'll write winner, and then we'll write how many points we have, and then we'll do another game, and then another game, and then after 3 games it'll tally up the points and show you. I think that's good. Okay, well, we know what we gotta get working on. The trickiest part's gonna be to get the variables. We need to write our score variable into whatever game number we're at, but we don't really have a flowchart for how to do that on a per game basis and keep track of those things. So I'm thinking they're just gonna be global variables to our play state, and we just do a sort of state machine flow of, if game starts, game is equal to 1. If game is equal to 1, gets turned false. We would need to turn it false and then set game equal to 2. That sort of deal. But then how do we render? We need to render all the games. If we have 3 games, we need to render 1, 2, and 3, not just the current game we're at. So it's just a matter of leaving our debugging with our global variables. I think we can do it. Yeah. I think we can do it. Yeah, I think we should kind of line it up with the lines here. So like, see, we can put tack. I mean, tack already kind of lines up, but we can have white a little to the left and then black a little to the right, and hopefully that gives us a more even look. So we can say, where is our white and black? Here. So we want this to be a little less far over. And we want a little less space, right? No, we want a little more space now. A little more space on black, and then it'll look good. Maybe one less. Okay, do you see what I'm talking about there with the, see the white kind of hits the left there and the black hits the left here? Game. I'm gonna see what the numbers of our SPQR look like, because I don't like the game 1 size. Like if we take a look at our game numbers here, they just don't look that cool, I guess. They just look smaller. Yeah, let's see what SPQR numbers look like. We can see right here, pretty easy. Literally just Roman numerals. So either we combine SPQR. See, I really don't like those numbers for this. The numbers of our Bene font are just too small. You know what we could do? We can make a bigger Bene font, and then we'll just use Roman numeral 1. Well, actually, we'll just do multiple ones for different Roman numerals. I think we can do that. Just make maybe a twice as big Bene. So I'm going to say that we have a number Bene font, and that is going to be twice as big as us, as our small font is. So let's put the numbers here in our play state. We'll change this back to tech. We'll put under our points game 1. We need to concatenate this, so we'll say we'll put game, and then we'll put 1 for game 1. Except we need to set our font here to our number Bene, and then we need to offset our X by a certain amount that is width of game. So maybe that's 100. I don't know, that's probably too much, but let's see. Yeah, why is the Y different? Why is the Y different there? Why is the Y different? Why would it be on a different line like that, you know? It's the same Y. That's really weird. Be the different size, but we'll make it a bit smaller. I don't get why that's been happening. Okay. It needs to be a bit lower, yeah. It's a bit lower, so it's a bit more on the Y. That's about accurate. Now let's scoot over the X. Holy crap. bit and to the left a bit. Up a bit, to the left a bit. Not what I wanted to do. Okay, a little bit lower and then we might be in business. Still not really liking the Roman numeral there. I'm not liking the Roman numeral. So I think why is the Y so jacked? Okay, I kind of like that, almost like a subscript. I think that's okay. Okay. So yeah, so tomorrow we'll be actually tallying up who wins, printing it onto the board, and then we'll implement game 1. We don't print any. Once game 1 is finished, we'll print game 1 results. Once game 2 is finished, we'll print game 2 results. Once game 3 is done, we'll just update our screen or whatever and show the winner. Something like that. But yeah, we're coming along. If we take a look at our get diff to see what we did today, we gave ourselves a new text file, 2 new fonts for our dictionary. We took off our music. We changed our font and positioning for our debugging and our player stones left, as well as whose turn it is. Yeah, and then we moved our stone count to be with the rest of our debugging like that. Or not debugging, just information display. Cool. So yeah, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. We'll do the rest of that. Then we're ready to do some thorough debugging and see if we can't get it to crash.